guys, it's me Riya and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to be sharing with you all my Amazon beauty finds. Now these are the products which I recently discovered, which are very affordable and of a great quality. And also I have created this makeup look right here using few of these products. So yeah, I'm really excited to share with you guys which those products are and why you should definitely buy them. So yeah, if you're interested in knowing which those products are, then please continue watching. So most of these products are under rupees 500, which is such a steal, especially if you are a beginner and if you want to start building your own little makeup kit. I think these products are going to be very helpful for you. And even otherwise, if you just are a makeup lover, I think these are some really great finds which you should definitely check out on Amazon. So the first product that I'm going to be sharing with you all is this Mars I Belong in Your Purse eyeshadow palette. Now this makeup look right here, which you can see I have created using this eyeshadow palette itself. And oh my god, like if you are someone who is a beginner to makeup, or even if you just like beautiful warm toned eyeshadow looks, then I think this palette is definitely a must for you. So this is how the palette looks like from the inside, and like you can see the colors are beautiful. And the best part is it also contains a black, so that just literally changes the whole ball game, because like a black eyeshadow is very essential to take the eye look to a completely different level. Also the texture of these eyeshadows are very buttery and soft. And this is the eye makeup look that I created using this eyeshadow palette. So the first thing I used was this one, okay, on my crease area. Then on my entire lid area I went ahead with this dark like brown shade. And this shade, oh my god, look at the pigmentation. It is so buttery, like it's beautiful. Particular shade is really very nice. So I went ahead with applying that all over my eyelids. And the glitter, I'm going to come back which product that was, but basically I applied this dark brown shade all over my eyelids and then just deepened my outer crease using this black shade right here. And like you can see, it just looks so beautiful, and I really love this palette. So yeah, this is definitely a must-have palette, especially if you are a beginner. The next product is this Swiss Beauty glitter eyeshadow, and again this one was somewhere about 199 rupees, guys. Like, can you believe it was only for 199 rupees? And on Amazon obviously you can find it at even lesser price. So this is the glitter I have applied on the center of my eyelids, like you can see here, and this one just changed the entire look. So the shade name is 05 Rose Gold Retro, and it's a beautiful shade. This shade again I would highly recommend you all also to try out. There are definitely different shades as well, as there's a silver, golden, there's a bronze, different shades, but this particular shade, Rose Gold Retro, I think it's an absolute must have. Like you can see, it just looks so beautiful. And the pigmentation is also great. Like I also do own the Stila glitter eyeshadows, but the quality of this one surpasses even the Stila one. That's a very big thing to say, but definitely for the price of 199, I think it's an absolute steal. And if you like creating this kind of party makeup looks, then I think you should definitely buy this glitter eyeshadow. And my next product recommendation are these magnetic eyelashes. So I do have a separate set as well, and those are the eyelashes that I've worn currently. So I have also done a complete separate video about these magnetic eyelashes. If you've not seen that, I'm going to be linking it up here. It's an absolute blessing, especially if you are a beginner. तो अगर आपको पता नहीं है बेसिकली आपको क्या करना है, दिस इज़ एन लाइक मैग्नेटिक आई लाइनर दैट दे हैव गिवन. तो इवन इफ यू जस्ट नो हाउ टू अप्लाई एन आई लाइनर, देन यू आर सॉर्टेड. ओके, इसकी मदद से यू जस्ट हैव टू अप्लाई अ थिन आई लाइनर, ओके, एंड देन rip out, I mean like take out the eyelash and just stick on that eyeliner. That's it. You don't have to apply a separate glue वगैरह कुछ नहीं करना है आपको. बहुत ईजी है गाइज ये यूज़ करने के लिए. एंड I think this is like my absolute favorite recommendation. You should definitely check out these magnetic eyelashes, especially if you are someone who like struggles with applying eyelashes, then this is definitely a must have for you. So yeah, this was my next product recommendation. The next product is this brush set by BH Cosmetics. So this is the 12 brushes ka brush set, and let me just show you guys. So these are all the brushes that come in this cute like holographic pouch, like you can see, and I absolutely love this one, guys. इसका जो pouch का भी quality है ना, बहुत ही ज़्यादा बढ़िया है, and I got this for somewhere about only 700 rupees, which is such a steal, because मुझे काफ़ी सारे लोगों ने when I use my makeup brushes, BH Cosmetics का मेरे पास rose gold brushes है, तो whenever I use that in my makeup videos ना, तो a lot of you guys asked me, but that I had bought it from the USA. But this one I found on Amazon and it was exactly similar, just the color is little different. This one is white में, मेरे पास जो है वो exactly rose gold में, but otherwise it's an exact same product. So these 4 brushes are for your face makeup. Okay, so I'm going to be mentioning here all the brushes in detail जो है इसमें currently. तो ये जो 4 ब्रशेस है आपके फेस के लिए आते हैं, एंड द रेस्ट 8 ब्रशेस आर फॉर योर आई मेकअप. अगेन फॉर द आई मेकअप दे हैव इंक्लूडेड एवरी सॉर्ट ऑफ आई मेकअप ब्रश दैट वुड बी रिक्वायर्ड बाय यू. एकदम this is like a perfect set, and you're getting this only at rupees 749, which is such a steal, because it also comes with a storage pouch which looks so amazing. So I think this is an absolute steal, and if you are a beginner, definitely do invest in these brushes. They are only for around 700 rupees. Like I said, I am going to be mentioning the link in the description box below, so please make sure you check that out. The next product are 2 lipsticks. Okay, so the first one right here is this soft matte lip cream by Swiss Beauty. Now Swiss Beauty is such an amazing brand, like Mars. Okay, Mars and Swiss Beauty, ये दो जो brands है, they are the most underrated brands I feel. Okay, because इनके products इतने अच्छे quality के होते हैं और इतने affordable होते हैं, guys. It's actually बहुत ही surprising था मेरे लिए, खुद के लिए भी. So I got this Swiss Beauty soft matte lip cream. Now these seem to be a dupe of the NYX soft matte lip cream, and I would say in fact these are much more better than the NYX soft matte lip creams. These are so damn good. And जो shade मैंने लिया है is N16 Mauve Pink, which I'm currently wearing on my lips. This is the shade right here. Again, these are so affordable, and I think if you are looking out for a good dupe for the NYX soft matte lip cream, then these are definitely the one for you. It is so pigmented. In a single swipe you get like opaque coverage, very comfortable on the lips. हाँ, मतलब I do not feel anything on my lips right now, because sometimes क्या होता है ना, especially जो sugar के products आपने देखे थे, the Smudge Me Not one range, बहुत ही ज़्यादा ड्राइंग थे, बट ये जो है ना एग्जैक्टली इसका फॉर्मूला इज़ लाइक दिस NYX सॉफ्ट मैट लिप क्रीम्स. तो वो तो आई थिंक इट्स अबाउट 600 or rupees, समथिंग लाइक दैट. But if you're looking out for an affordable option, this is definitely the one for you. I think this was for somewhere about 199 only. I'm going to be mentioning the price here, तो you can check that out. But again, इसमें बहुत सारे shades आते हैं, बहुत affordable है, amazing quality, and they also have great shade range. So please do check these out. The next lipstick is again from Swiss Beauty, and this is the dupe of the Huda Beauty matte lipsticks, and even the packaging and the bullet exactly looks like that. So I got the shade 16 red letter in it, and it also comes like this kind of a packaging. ठीक है, it does not have a magnetic closure, तो वो एक चीज़ थोड़ा सा है, but also because it's so affordable, I think hardly 200 rupees का था ये lipstick, तो I think you cannot really expect much. See, so this, it's like super opaque pigmentation, and इसका भी formula बहुत amazing है. हुडा ब्यूटी तो ऑब्वियसली मेरे खुद के भी बजट के बाहर होता है उसके लिपस्टिक, तो इसलिए मुझे ये ट्राई करना था यार कैसा इसका फॉर्मूला है, वेदर इट्स वर्थ और नॉट, एंड आई टोटली एब्सोल्युटली लव द फॉर्मूला ऑफ दीज लिपस्टिक्स अगेन. ये जो पर्टिकुलर शेड है रेड लेटर, इट्स स्लाइटली मोर ऑरेंज टोन्ड रेड, आई वुड से थोड़ा सा इसमें ऑरेंज टोन लग रहा है, बट दे अगेन डू हैव quite a lot of shades. So again, if you are looking out for Huda Beauty ka matte lipsticks ka dupe, definitely you should check out Swiss Beauty ka these matte lipsticks. They are really nice, great quality, very affordable. I think only for rupees 200 or something. So yeah, definitely do check out these lipsticks as well. Next और एक product मुझे आपके साथ share करना था is this mask का ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर, बिकॉज ये मेरे को ना काफ़ी सस्ते में मिल गया था, तो इस पे एक्चुअल प्राइस 229 है, बट अगेन अमेजोन पे ना कुछ अच्छा सा डिस्काउंट चल रहा था, दैट्स व्हाई आई गॉट दिस एंड इट्स सो सॉफ्ट गाइज, इतना सॉफ्ट है ना ये, इट्स वेरी सॉफ्ट एंड ऑलमोस्ट लाइक इसका क्वालिटी भी मुझे जो अपना रियल टेक्निक्स का है ना ब्लेंडर उसके जैसा लगता है. इट्स वेरी सॉफ्ट. This was for somewhere about 200 rupees only, 190 or 200 rupees only, but definitely it's a must buy if you are a beginner and if you're looking out for a good beauty blender. Maska Wonder Blender is perfect for you. The next product is a highlighter, and oh my god, this highlighter has been on my wish list since a really long time because I've seen a lot of YouTubers rave about this highlighter. एंड फाइनली मुझे अमेजोन पे काफ़ी अच्छे डिस्काउंट पे दिख गया था, दैट इज़ वाई आई वाज लाइक ले ही लेते हैं. तो दिस इज़ द मेबेलिन मास्टर क्रोम इन द शेड मोल्टन गोल्ड एंड आई एम करेंटली वेयरिंग इट ऑन माई फेस. एज यू कैन सी, बहुत ही अमेजिंग हाईलाइटर है ये एंड इट्स टोटली वर्थ ऑल द हाइप. तो या इफ़ यू आर सिमिलर टू माई स्किन टोन या स्लाइटली वीटिश, this particular shade 100 molten gold is perfect for us. It just gives a very nice beautiful glow. और इसका ना मुझे थोड़ा सा जो अपना बेका शैम्पेन पॉप है ना, I find this one very similar to that, but this one was very inexpensive. I think इस पे तो प्राइस 550 दिया है, बट अमेजोन पे बहुत अच्छा डिस्काउंट चल रहा है, तो उसका लिंक मैंने नीचे दिया, आप चेक कर लेना. But basically I feel this is very similar to the Becca Champagne Pop. तो अगर वो थोड़ा सा आपके out of budget है, even the mini version of Becca Champagne Pop is around 1200 rupees. तो अगर आपके वो out of budget है, then definitely do try this one out. ये भी मैं बहुत pleasantly surprised थी when I tried it on myself कि इतना beautiful like glow वो देता है. So definitely again this is must buy. Next product is again an eyeshadow palette and this one is by Beauty Glazed. Again ये eyeshadow palette ना guys मेरे wish list पे काफ़ी टाइम से था, बहुत ही ज़्यादा टाइम से था, and Instagram stores were selling it at कुछ अलग ही लेवल के प्राइस पे, मतलब 2500 ऐसे कुछ वो लोग बेच रहे थे. But I found this one on Amazon for only rupees I think 600 or something, which was such a steal considering all these beautiful shades that it comes with. ठीक है, तो I am just going to show you page by page. ये ऐसे ना बुक फॉर्म में आता है, तो बहुत क्यूट लगा मुझे इसका पैकेजिंग. एंड एक सेकेंड, हाँ, तो ये है उसका फर्स्ट शेड्स मतलब पेज. ओके, द नेक्स्ट वन इज मोर लाइक पिंक प्लमी पर्पली टोन्ड. ठीक है, एंड the third one right here is more like blue toned, greenish thoda sa. Now the best part about these this eyeshadow palette is that, let me just show you a close up. It contains matte, it contains shimmer, as well as it contains this kind of glitters. ठीक है, तो ये glitter मैं आपको दिखा देती हूँ. See, so beautiful, right? इसके glitters भी बहुत ही ज़्यादा बढ़िया है. See, I'm just going to swatch again. Look at the pigmentation, it's so khatarnak. Here goes the purple one. See, the glitters are absolutely amazing, and let me just swatch the green one for you as well, तो आपको एकदम ही आइडिया आ जाए. Blue one, sorry. So this is the blue one. See, can you see the pigmentation of these glitters? मतलब it's so beautiful. And even the shimmers and the mattes are really nice. See, this is the shimmer one that I swatched. I mean, this is again like a beautiful palette, especially if you like playing with colors. अगर आप एक बिगिनर है एंड इफ़ यू वांट लाइक ऑल इन वन पैलेट चाहिए, आपको एक ही पैलेट आप ले लो एंड यूर सॉर्टेड, ऐसा कुछ पैलेट चाहिए, ये वाला ब्यूटी ग्लेज्ड का कलर शेड्स आई शैडो बुक पैलेट, ठीक है। इसके शेड्स आर सो अमेजिंग, सो पिगमेंटेड, really good quality, and it was only for about 600 or 700 rupees, which is such a steal because you get so many. Oh my god, let me just count. So एक पेज पे 24 shades है, तो there are 3 pages and look at the color range, बहुत amazing है, and I think this is definitely worth the investment, especially if you are a beginner or if you like playing with colors. बहुत ही amazing pick है, so definitely do check this one out as well. Next I got 2 makeup removing कैटेगरी वाले प्रोडक्ट्स। तो जो पहला वाला मुझे मिला वाज दिस वन, दिस इज द मिनीसो का कॉटन पैड्स एंड दीज आर 1000 कॉटन पैड्स ओनली फॉर ₹190 एंड इट ऑल्सो कम्स इन अ बॉक्स लाइक दिस। मतलब हाउ क्यूट एंड अमेजिंग कैन इट गेट, लाइक इतना ब्यूटिफुल मुझे लगा ये ऑफर। मतलब 1000 कॉटन पैड्स आपको सिर्फ 190 रुपीज़ में मिल रहा है एंड यू ऑल्सो गेट दिस काइंड ऑफ अ डब्बा। मतलब और क्या चाहिए आपको। आई एम तो लाइक टोटली सॉर्टेड। मैं पहले वो अपने बेला के कॉटन वाइप्स लेती थी, बट दोज वर डेफिनेटली एक्सपेंसिव, थोड़ा सा मुझे लगा था। मतलब 100 का उसका कुछ 140-50 कॉस्ट पड़ता था, बट ये तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा सस्ता था गाइज। एंड लेट मी जस्ट ओपन एंड शो यू द कॉटन पैड ऑल्सो। See, there are 1000 cotton pads inside, and this is how the cotton pad looks like. It's definitely thinner, but it's perfect for like removing your makeup and stuff. बहुत ही perfect है। So again, this 1000 का डब्बा was for only ₹190, which is again such a steal. So yeah, if you are looking out for a good cotton pad option, then I think ये मिनीसो का डब्बा definitely worth the buy है। So yeah, this was the next one. And the last product are these 2 color bar ka makeup wipes, on the go makeup wipes. Now I really love these makeup wipes because they come in very handy, especially if you are traveling or just to remove the first layer of makeup अगर आपको चाहिए। बहुत ही ज़्यादा affordable है and बहुत अच्छे से काम करते हैं। I had also tried the Neutrogena ones, but those were very expensive, only for 25 wipes. That was for around I think more than 500 रुपीज़ कुछ था, और ये मुझे दोनों 500 के अंडर पड़े हैं। सो एंड ईच वन कंटेन्स अबाउट 30 वाइप्स, सो 60 वाइप्स मुझे अंडर 500 पड़े, विच इज़ सच अ स्टील, स्पेशली इफ़ यू आर लाइक अ रेगुलर मेकअप वेयर, और नहीं भी हो तो भी while traveling I think this comes in very handy. So yeah, if you are looking out for a good makeup removing wipe, then this the color bar on the go makeup remover wipes डेफिनेटली चेकआउट करना। अगेन अमेजोन पे बहुत अच्छे डिस्काउंट पे करंटली ये अवेलेबल है। तो गाइज़, ये जितने भी प्रोडक्ट्स मैंने आपको दिखाए हैं ना, इसका बस एक ही लिंक मैंने नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया है। एक सिंगल लिंक है, स्टार्टिंग में ही आपको दिखेगा, उस पर आप क्लिक करोगे तो सारे ये जितने प्रोडक्ट्स हैं आपको वो लिंक के अंडर मिल जाएंगे। तो इफ़ यू लाइक एनी ऑफ दीज प्रोडक्ट्स देन यू कैन डायरेक्टली गो देयर एंड परचेज। सो या दैट्स इट फॉर दिस वीडियो गाइज। आई होप आपको अच्छा लगा। ये जितने भी मुझे सस्ते अमेजोन पे ब्यूटी प्रोडक्ट्स दिखे, आई थॉट लेट मी जस्ट क्विकली मेक अ वीडियो ऑन दिस बिकॉज करंटली बहुत अच्छे डिस्काउंट्स चल रहे हैं। तो मेक श्योर यू आर टेकिंग एडवांटेज ऑफ दिस, स्पेशली ये जो 2 आई शैडो पैलेट्स जो मैंने आपको बताए थे, मास वन एंड ये बहुत अमेजिंग है, बहुत अमेजिंग है। ऑल्सो ये वाला, डोंट एवर फॉरगेट दिस मैग्नेटिक आई लैशेज, टोटली वर्थ द इन्वेस्टमेंट है। तो या दोज वर माई ऑल द फेवरेट प्रोडक्ट्स। ओ गॉड, 1 मिनट, मेकअप ब्रश, ये बिल्कुल नहीं भूलना, ये तो बहुत ही अमेजिंग डील पे मिल गया था। सो या दैट्स इट फॉर दिस वीडियो गाइज। वो सारे मेरे फेवरेट प्रोडक्ट्स थे जो मुझे करंटली अमेजोन पे मिले। तो या इफ़ यू डू लाइक दिस वीडियो, मेक श्योर टू गिव इट अ बिग थम्स अप, एंड ऑल्सो प्लीज लेट मी नो इफ आई शुड डू मोर सच Amazon budget finds. If you like this kind of video, do let me know in the comment section below. So yeah, that's it for this video guys. I hope to see you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye.